Hey everybody, this is Tristan, and I'm here to teach you how to play open string blues on your viola. Now to start, let's review our playing position. What we'll do is we'll put the viola across our body. We'll keep our left hand right here, right beside the fingerboard, and we'll take our right hand, put our index finger under the fingerboard, and keep our thumb ready to play. Now that we have playing position, let's review our open strings. From highest to lowest, we have A, then D, then G, and then C. Let's go over it one more time. A, and then D, G, last but not least, C. Now that we have those down, we can learn the song. So the first section of the song starts with just our open strings, and we play each one 4 times. So A, and then down to D, and then G 4 times, and then C 4 times. And we'll do it again. A 4 times, and then D 4 times, and then G 4 times, and then 4 C's. And then we'll do it 2 more times before we go into the next part. Now the next part of the song is a little bit of improv. So what I'll do is I will play something on my open string, the little rhythm, and you'll play it, repeat it after me. Alright? So here's a good example. And then you go. And then I go to my D string. And now my G string. And then you'd play. And then down to my C string. And you'd play it. And then I'll repeat that and do maybe different rhythms, maybe the same rhythms, and you'll play after me. And then the last section, instead of the 4 open strings we had at the beginning, we'll do 8 of each. So A, and then 8 Ds. And now 8 Gs. And then 8 Cs. And we do it again. And now 8 Ds. And then 8 Gs. Now 8 Cs. And that's how you play open string blues. Now, my friend Oriana will lead you through the tune.
1, 2, open A. Now D, G, C. Bring it back to A. Back to A again. D, G, C. One more time, A. Repeat after me. Repeat after me again. Eight A's, go. a good rest of your day. Good job.